Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Kicks SR. This is the CVT model, 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, base price of $21,320, as tested of $26,250. Deep blue pearl over charcoal, with some orange accents, of course. Does look really good, especially with all these black accents. All right, very nice interior. Everything's nice and soft touch. Right. Let's go for a drive. The Kicks is the replacement for the Juke. A lot of people loved the Juke, a lot of people did not love the Juke. I was a fan of it, I just liked the quirky looks of everything. Then again, a lot of people call me weird. So, the Kicks does look a lot better, while still maintaining that quirky feel of the Juke. Overall feel of everything is actually very nice for the price point. For $26,000, everything in here, it's very nice materials. You have leather where you need it while still having the cloth seats. It's very nice, and it's also very good in the snow. Yeah, that's all plowed out already. With the CVT, it makes the most of this 1.6. Not bad at all. Ride's not bad either. It's on the stiffer side, but it's not beat you up stiff either. Overall, the Kicks is a very nice package. Drives very well. It's also nice and compact for these urban streets right outside of Boston. put the 2 wheels on the snow-packed ice test. Test your traction control and get you right out of the situation. Take this bump a little bit quicker. Not bad at all. Do have a low mode as well for mountain driving if you want to use more engine braking. I just keep it in normal drive. It's perfectly fine for me. Visibility is another huge bonus of this car. I have plenty of sight all the way around. Put it in the snow and back out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.